Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the Santorini black exterior colour. Along with keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the light cloud ebony perforated Windsor leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have everything you may need, including hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 31,831 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, along with your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go, along with your 4x4 information, your wade sensing and your terrain response driving modes. This makes the vehicle suited for most terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. This vehicle also features a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. It also has a off-road feature, ideal for those adventures you may find yourself on, along with the front seats, which are also heated and ventilated, which is ideal for those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones. Pairing with this, you can also find a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.